Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with setting up meetings in Microsoft Teams or just want a quick, foolproof way to do it, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through every single step of scheduling a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So by the end of this video, you'll be ready to organize your next call like a pro. Let's dive in. Access the calendar first, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the app and click on the calendar icon. This is where you'll see all your scheduled events and open time slots. Think of this as your central hub for meetings. It's where everything starts. Select a date and time. Next, browse through your calendar to find a day and time that works for your meeting. When you've found the right spot, simply click on the date. A new window will pop up ready for you to fill in all the meeting details. Add meeting details. Now it's time to set up the essentials. Title: give your meeting a clear and descriptive title so everyone knows the purpose right away. For example, Weekly Marketing Sync or Project Kickoff. Attendees: under the Invite People or Add Required Attendees section, start typing the names or email addresses of the participants you want to include. Teams or departments: if you're inviting a large group, say an entire department, you can use the Everyone option as a shortcut. This saves you from adding each person one by one. Save and share. Once you've filled out all the details, click the Save button. This officially schedules your meeting and sends invitations to everyone you've added. Microsoft Teams will also generate a meeting link. Click the copy button to grab that link. You can share it through email, chat, or even embed it in a calendar invite outside of Teams. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams from start to finish. Simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another Microsoft Teams feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.